Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there lived a mechanical man named General Grievous. Unlike the other droids, General Grievous had a unique design, with 4 arms and a whirring voice. He was known for his bravery and strength, but also for his love of peace and justice. One day, General Grievous discovered a small, lost Twi'lek girl named Leeta. She was lost on the desolate planet of Utapau, and General Grievous felt a strong urge to help her. With kindness in his mechanical heart, General Grievous took Leeta under his metallic arms and set off to find her home. Together, they journeyed through dangerous caves and across vast deserts. Despite the obstacles, General Grievous never lost hope. He taught Leeta about the importance of bravery and determination, and she taught him about the beauty of friendship. Finally, they arrived at the Twi'lek home planet of Ryloth. Overjoyed, Leeta's family welcomed General Grievous with open arms. From that day on, General Grievous was no longer just a general, but a friend to all. As General Grievous and Leeta said their goodbyes, they promised to meet again. Leeta promised to visit Utapau and learn more about the mechanical life forms, and General Grievous promised to visit Ryloth and learn more about the Twi'lek culture. With a twirl of his 4 arms, General Grievous waved goodbye and set off back to Utapau. Leeta watched him go, her heart filled with gratitude. She knew she would never forget the kind and brave General Grievous, the mechanical hero who helped her find her way home. And so, the story of General Grievous and Leeta became a legend, passed down through generations, reminding everyone of the power of friendship and the importance of helping others. The end.